Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. Good morning Mom Nikmatuni ISEMSI Ekeci. First, let me introduce myself. My name is Hoirul Tri Rahmatin from Aketrisi Semarang State Polytechnic. In this presentation, I will discuss final project proposal and the title Calculation, Analysis and Application Value Added Tax on PT XXX. First, presentation structure. Number 1, background. Number 2, formulation of the problem. Number 3, purpose and benefits. Number 4, literature review. And the last, research methodology. First, background. Tax is a form of state income that is used to improve the welfare of society. The tax collection system currently adopted in Indonesia is the self-assessment system. In Indonesia, there are so many types of tax which of course can increase state income, and there are so many types of tax in Indonesia, one of which is value-added tax. Value-added tax is a tax imposed on the delivery of taxable goods or services in the custom area by manufacturers, main distributor or main agent, importer, patent or trademark holders of taxable goods or services. Problems that arise in calculating VAT at PTX means there is billing data that must be revised and corrected again due to the length of the approval process from the customer, and this has an impact on the VAT calculation, which will also undergo change or improvements. 2. Formulation of the problem. Number 1. How does the delay in reporting input tax on cigarette purchase cause the company to have to make correction to the report again in the following period? Number 2, how will underpayment of tax occur in January and October 2023 at PTX? Next, purpose and benefits. Purpose: A. Recalculate the input tax report in the next period. B. Calculating tax underpayment in January and October 2023 at PTX. Benefits: for writers, get a direct overview of how to calculate, deposit, and report value-added tax. Can find out the extent of the application of taxation so that the author can prepare himself to face an increasingly developing economy. For companies, this research can be a contribution of tool and material for consideration in implementing value-added tax accounting in companies so that no more errors are found in reporting value-added tax. Literature review. 1. Taxation is definition of tax, tax collection system, and types of taxes. 2. Value-added tax is meaning of VAT, subject of VAT, and VAT rates. 3. Input tax credit. 4. Application and reporting of value-added tax. 5. Periodic value-added tax return. And next, taxation. Understanding tax. Tax is a mandatory contribution of the people to the state, which is coercive and is used for state needs and is regulated based on the applicable law where the people do not receive direct representation. Tax collection system. One self-assessment system is a tax collection system where the authority to calculate the amount of tax owed by taxpayers is handed over to the tax authorities. Types of tax. 1. According to group is direct taxes and indirect taxes. 2. According to nature. 1. Subjective tax and objective tax. And according to the collecting agency, 1. State tax and local tax. And next, value-added tax. Valuyo states that value-added tax is a tax imposed when a company makes purchase or taxable goods or taxable service which are charged from the tax base. One VAT subject is taxable employers who deliver taxable goods or taxable service within the custom area and export tangible taxable goods or intangible taxable goods or taxable service. Two small entrepreneurs who choose to be confirmed as taxable entrepreneurs. VAT object is taxable goods or taxable service. Taxable goods can be put into two categories. The first is tangible goods, which according to their nature or law can be movable goods subject to VAT or immovable goods subject to VAT. Taxable service are any service activities based on agree or legal act that cause goods or facilities or conveniences. And then VAT rate is 11% and 0%, and the lowest is 5% and the highest is 15%. Input tax credit. Basic principle: one input tax in one tax period is credited with output tax for the same tax period. To even a tax period, the amount of output tax is greater than the amount of input tax, then the difference is value-added tax, which must be paid by taxable entrepreneurs. And 3. Even a tax period, the amount of input tax is greater than the amount of output tax, then the difference is an excess of input tax which can be claimed back or compensated for in the next tax period. Then non-creditable input tax, one not directly related to business activities. 2. Input tax set in the simple tax invoice. 3. Input tax, payment of which is billed using a tax assessment letter. 4. Input tax that is not reported in the periodic value-added tax notification letter, which is determined in the audit. And last, used for business activities that result in deliveries that are exempt from taxation. Next, application and reporting of value-added tax. Implementation is taxable employers and VAT collector. Value-added tax reporting must be reported in the periodic SPT and submitted to the local tax service office no later than 20 days after the tax period ends. Payment of value-added tax. Payment of value-added tax is made no later than the end of the following month. Is used by taxpayers to make payment or deposit tax out the state's treasury through the post office and or state-owned enterprise bank or regional-owned enterprise. Notification letter for value-added tax period. The notification letter is a means of reporting and accounting for the calculation of the amount of VAT and sales tax on luxury goods actually owed. If the SPT is not submitted within the time period determined by law, an administrative sanction will be imposed in the form of a fine if either 500,000 rupiah. Research methodology. Research approach. According to Supardi, quantitative descriptive research is research that uses quantitative data contained in financial report through techniques of collecting, processing, simplifying, presenting, and analyzing data. 2. Data type. Quantitative data, namely data expressed in numerical form. 3. Data source. Primary data. Primary data is data obtained directly by conducting research directly into the company under study in order to obtain or collect the data and information needed in writing this final assessment. 4. Data collection technique. Documentation study is a technique for collecting required data such as books, documents owned by the company, laws, expert opinions through collecting and processing research data to obtain data that supports the preparation of this final assignment. And the last, data analysis technique. The method used to analyze data by describing the data that has been collected as it is without intending to make generally accepted. And research schedule. Activity title submission 1 week, proposal preparation 2 weeks, research proposal seminar 1 week, initial observation 2 weeks, initial report writing 3 weeks, live data collection 1 week, interview transcript 1 week, file data processing 3 weeks, final report writing 5 weeks, research results seminar 1 week, final report improvement 3 weeks, duplicating and binding report 1 week, and the last report submission 1 week. And I had enough presentation today. Thank you for your response and enthusiasm. See you another day. Thank you for watching.